Have you ever considered why is it so difficult for me to accomplish things, as if I would be rejected by someone, as though I don't belong here? Why is it that everything I plan usually turn out wrong? Maybe you have gone camping, hiking in the mountain. Then, let's say, it's in the spring. Everything was bright and sincere. The green grass that grows does not forget to be exposed to the bright light in the morning. While sipping a cup of coffee, you also reflected to your problem, the burden of your life that you carry from your world. Then you say, I wish my life were like there, in every way, aperturely and carefree. Not like my situation now, everything feels heavy. A few moments later, you turn it to a waterfall that's not far from you, has a flow that isn't quite as strong, water runs smoothly. Then you take the time to get closer to the water flow while reflecting in front of the crystal clear water that was flowing. There are small fish that go against the flow, and some of them have been hiding behind the rock, attempting to locate the warmth from them to consume. Afterward, you think the flow is less rapid here, but why do so few fish swim against the flow of the current, while others have been busy looking for food? Despite the fact that they are near another and can be seen each other, additionally fish that floated against the current may naturally gather in a peaceful area. Why don't they just do that? Why do they behave that way? Instantly, you realize that the fish is you feel against the tide just as he does. You also can see actually you know a place where current is calm and also know which opportunity are profitable for you. However, it appears that your fears has masked everything else. You worry that you will be swept away by the swift stream. So to prepare for it, you swim as hard as you can. You worry that another fish will appear if you enter the peaceful area, so that you remain in that challenging situation as a result of your fear. It made you chuckle to catch a peek of that flashback. So therein lies the issue. I might be against the current because of that, so that everything feels heavy for me. Actually, the concept of flow has been popularized by Mr. Mihaly, which technically a field. All job, all activity and the environment have their own flow. And of course, we have to match the capacity we have with the current challenge. Mr. Mihaly suggested that we should really value every activity we do and prioritize activity that have a stable effort and challenge. They always give output to maximum. Thinking, this post appeared on my phone right away. So this what the mean. Then you mumble. So this is what he post. This a good channel. The idea is good. I have to subscribe here.